LeetCode 2270, number of ways to split an array. We are given an array. We need to say how many ways we can split it such that the amount of the first part is larger or equal than the amount of the second part. So this is larger or equal than this part, 1. This is also larger or equal than this part, 2. And this is 6 and this is 7, so not. So we have two ways that we can split this array such that the first part is larger or equal than the second part. And with that, let's move directly to the solution. So the solution is going to use prefix sum. If you don't know what a prefix sum is, you have to learn it. You can't prepare for programming interviews and not learn what prefix sum. It's a must. So basically, they asked us the way is how to identify the prefix sum. They asked us about sums that begin here and then this sum and then this sum and then this sum. So if it looks like a prefix sum, works like a prefix sum, sounds like a prefix sum, it is a prefix sum. You see, we are summing each time the prefixes. Okay, so now that we know that it's a prefix sum, then the first time we'll simply initialize the prefix sum. We put the first item, the sum of the first item is just the first item, and then loop over all the other items and append them as new prefix sums. This is a simple for loop in Python in range from 1 until the last item. Easy to remember this because an easy way to remember this is that it's just like a for loop. So initialize with 1, continue the condition until n, step 1. So we finished initializing the prefix sum. Now go over each item one by one, right? One by one in the iteration for each item. Compute the left sum, then compute the right sum. The left sum is simply got from the prefix sum, then the right sum, which is the total sum minus the left sum. Then we have the right sum and the left sum, right? So now check if the left sum is larger than the right sum. Increase the result by 1. Let's repeat and then return just the result. Let's repeat this again. Compute the prefix sums for each item, append to it, and compute for it the prefix sum. Go for each item, check what is the left sum, easily get it from the prefix sum, what is right sum, total sum minus left sum, and then if left sum is larger or equal than right sum, increase the result by 1, and then return the result.